The next question says that the switch is changed from the position A to B at t equals to 0. Find I di by dt and d square I by dt square at t equals to 0 plus. The diagram given is 10 volts, 100 ohms, 1 Henry, 1 microfarad. This is position A, this is position B. This is the switch and I of t is flowing through this. The switch is changed from position A to position B. So initially at t is equal to 0. So for t is equal to 0 minus, the switch is at point position A. So at t is equal to 0 minus, the switch is at position A. So the circuit will be 100 ohms, 10 volts. This will act as short circuit because they have not specified whether the current is flowing through the inductor, but after shorting we can find the current flowing through this. So this is I of t at t is equal to 0 minus. So we can say I of t, which will be I of 0 minus, which will come to 10 upon 100. So it will come to 0.1 ampere. So I of 0 minus will come to 0.1 amperes. Now at t equals to 0 plus, the inductor acts as a current source because it cannot change the value instantaneously. So at t is equal to 0 plus, it will be at position B. Since in this point the capacitor was not in picture, so the voltage across capacitor will be 0 initially. This will act as current source, and since there was no voltage across the capacitor, we replace it with a short circuit. This is 0.1 ampere and we can find I of 0 plus. So again I of 0 plus will be 0.1 ampere. So we have got I at 0 plus. Now we can find for t greater than 0, can draw the circuit. Have resistor, current source in parallel with the inductor because we have got the value of current as 0.1 ampere. Here you have the capacitor, which is 1 microfarad. This is 100 ohms, 1 Henry. And here you have I of t. So applying KVL in the loop, you will get minus 1 upon 1 into 10 raised to minus 6 integral 0 to t I dt minus 100 I minus di by dt equals to 0. So at t equals to 0 plus this integral will be 0. So minus 100 into I of 0 plus minus di by dt at 0 plus equals to 0. So you can find di by dt at 0 plus will be minus 100 into I of 0 plus is 0.1. So I will get it as minus 10 amperes per second. Now to find, call this as equation 1, d square I by dt square. I will differentiate one with respect to t. So it will give me minus 1 upon 1 into 10 raised to minus 6 I minus 100 di by dt minus d square I by dt square equals to 0. At t is equal to 0 plus, we can find d square I by dt square plus will be minus 10 raised to 6 into I at 0 plus is 0.1 minus 100 into minus 10. So this will give you minus 99 into 10 raised to 3 ampere per second square. This is how we can find d square I by dt square.